Alright guys, just finished up this 2024 F350. It's got the 3-inch BDS radius arm kit, 37 12 50 20 Netto ridges, 20x9 plus 1 fuel Rebel 8s. This kit does 3 in the front and 1 in the back. It's going to come with new radius arms, adjustable trap bar. We went with the NX2 BDS shocks on this one. No clearancing needed. Tires fit just fine. This is the newly redesigned radius arm for the 23 and 24 F250 and 350 Super Duties. It's got a relocation bracket for your sway bar. It just drops it down. And then you've got your adjustable track bar. The 1-inch rear is going to be a spring spacer. This actually goes in above your factory block and is tied to the leaf spring pack via your center tie bolt. Of course, you get the NX2 shocks as well. You've got a couple different shock options with this kit. You can do the NX2, the Fox 2.0s, or the Elite 2.5s. You've also got a full coilover conversion if you'd like to go that route. Alright guys, that's it on this one. Make sure you like the video, subscribe, stay tuned for more.